In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a project in Base44. Deploying a project is a crucial step in bringing your digital creations from the development stage to your audience's fingertips. Whether you're working on a new app or updating an existing project, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and effectively. Let's get started by opening your app dashboard. The first thing you want to do is navigate to base44.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login option, enter your credentials, and this will bring you into your app dashboard. From here, select the specific app you wish to deploy. Remember, choosing the right project is essential, as any unintended selection can lead to unnecessary confusion or errors later in the process. Now, moving on to finishing your edits. Before you go ahead with publishing, you need to ensure that every detail of your application is polished and ready. This means checking all your pages, buttons, text, and data to guarantee they function as expected. It's a good practice to step into the preview mode. You'll typically find this option in the top right corner. Preview mode allows you to experience your app exactly as your users will, giving you the chance to catch any potential issues or refinements needed. Once you've ensured your app is in tip-top shape, you're ready to move to the next step, publishing your project. In the top right corner of your editor workspace, you'll spot the Publish button. Clicking this is the point of no return, so make sure everything is good to go. After hitting Publish, Base44 takes over and begins the building process for your project automatically. The platform compiles your project, preparing it for the world to see. During this time, it's a perfect moment to take a breather. Grab a cup of coffee or just sit back and relax while Base44 does its magic. Keep an eye out for any alerts or notifications from the system just in case there are any adjustments needed on your part at this stage. Now, with your project built, it should be live and ready for users to interact with. Congratulations! You've just deployed a project in Base44. This is a huge achievement, so take a moment to appreciate the hard work you've just turned into a tangible digital experience for your users. Deploying projects might seem complex at first, but by following these straightforward steps, you're ensuring a seamless process from initiation to completion. Thank you for choosing to spend your time here today, and happy deploying.